What's up, neighbors? Welcome back to DIY Makes Sense. My name is Regina. Now, don't cuss me out. I know it's been a couple of weeks, but I'm here. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I replaced some of my old doors. Not too bad. Dated, though. Dated. Now, okay, this... Take it off the screen. Off the screen. Again, not too bad. Gotta go. And y'all already know I'm going to step you through the entire process, even me chiseling out the wood for the door handles and the hinges. That's enough talking. So let's get this video started. So I've replaced a few doors in my home already. This one's next. And I decided to go with this style. Only problem is there are no holes for the doorknobs and all the notches for the hinges need to be redone. So I got some work ahead of me on this one. So where did I get these doors from? And how much did it cost me? Let's break it down in my price check. Pause the video. Pause the video. Now don't you dare skip this part. I do breakdowns like this in almost all of my videos. I'm trying to save you some money. Stay tuned. Now, if I hired a professional to do this job, I'd be paying for their equipment, skills, and labor. That would have cost me somewhere between $350 to $500 or more. But by bargain shopping and doing it myself, I paid next to nothing. I found a bunch of doors in my local Habitat for Humanity warehouse for only $10 a piece. Now that, along with my supplies, this job only cost me $55 to do. And as you can see, my door retails for almost 3 times that amount. In the end, on average, I saved over $300. Now, when I first started upgrading my doors, I bought this kit and it has everything you need to install a doorknob. But while working on my 4th door, these hole saws just weren't cutting it. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. But what I did hold on to was this jig. The time has come and this door is finally coming down. Now, once I remove both hinges and the door, I want to kind of dry fit the new one. I want to make sure I know exactly where this doorknob and these hinges are going to go, because once I drill a hole in this door, I can't go back and fix it. I'm reusing all my hinges, so first I gotta butt this new door up against the old one, measure exactly where that hinge is on the old door so I can transfer those measurements to the new one. They've got to match up perfectly, so I'm really taking my time to get an accurate measurement. Now, once I got all the measurements transferred, I'll begin chiseling out the wood in those areas and attach the hinge. So yeah, pretty frustrating. This is when the hole saw went out on me right in the middle of my project. Had to stop everything and run to Lowe's to get some better quality ones. Got home and kept it moving. That jig from the kit earlier, yeah, I'm using that here to make sure that my holes line up. It did okay, a little wobbly, but it got the job done. Oh, and by the way, I measured that hole 36 inches or 3 feet off the floor. From what I understand, that's an industry standard. Now, once I outlined exactly where that latch was gonna sit, I chiseled all the wood out of that area until it sat nice and flush with the door. Now you really can't tell from this video, but when I'm chiseling this wood out, I'm really taking it out little by little. I don't want to take a bunch of wood out all at once. So I chisel a little bit, I test the latch, and I keep repeating that until the latch sits nice and flush. And with that, now I can attach my doorknob. Well, I did my hinges already, and now with the doorknob installed, I can finally mount my door. Now, if this is the part of the video where you gonna cut it off, move on to the next one, I'm gonna tell you right now, you gonna regret it, cause I'm finna put you onto a hack that I guarantee you will use. My door is looking good. Now let's just say those holes I initially drilled for my hinges are a little off. My door's not mounting correctly at all. And I really should have drilled here or here, but it's so close to the previous hole, what am I gonna do? Calm down, I got you. Run to the stove and grab a bag of these golf tees. Make sure they're 100% hardwood. Hammer that golf tee in that hole. Maybe add a little glue, and once it dries, saw off the remainder sticking out. Sand it down. Now you can make whatever corrections you need. Now for this hack right here, I'm glad y'all stuck around to the end. Whew. If you like this video, click like, leave a comment below. Feel free to share this video. Feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one because I got 3 more doors to hang. Bye.